Okay, just be honest with me for a second. जैसे आप LinkedIn पर जाते हो, LinkedIn को ओपन करते हो, you see these terms like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, ML engineer, AI engineer, business intelligence engineer, analytics engineer, ML ops engineer, and you are like, भाई क्या है ये सब? 2 साल पहले तक तो ऐसे किसी भी रोल का हमने नाम तक नहीं सुना था. Then naturally you go to Google, you search their differences, and now you have 47 browser tabs open. You have already watched n number of videos, read many articles, but you are more confused than ever. Trust me, I have been there. And I'll be very honest with you, even a lot of working professionals also can't explain the difference clearly between these many roles. But today, I'm going to fix that for you. And by the end of this video, you will exactly know what each of these roles does, what skills you need, what salary they make, and most importantly, which one should you target based on who you are and what you actually enjoy doing. No jargons, no fluff, just pure clarity. So, if you are a student or a fresher trying to figure out your path in data world, this video is literally made for you. Stay till the end because last में आप लोगों के लिए एक hidden opportunity भी है. Let's go. But before we talk about these roles in detail, let me give you a 60-second mental model जिससे ना आपको बहुत ही layman language में ये सारे के सारे roles आसानी से समझ में आने लगेंगे. Okay. So think about any company, Amazon, Swiggy, या फिर आपका local kirana shop, it doesn't matter. Now every single day that company generates mountains of data. Every click on their app, every purchase you make, every customer complaint, every delivery, all of it is nothing but data. Now this data is absolutely useless sitting in a server until someone, number one, collects it and stores it properly. Now that's the data engineer for you. Number two, cleans it, analyze it, and finds pattern. That's basically data analyst. Number 3, build predictive models from it. That's the data scientist. Number 4, deploy these models into real products. That's the ML engineer. Number 5, build intelligent AI-powered systems and agents. That's basically AI engineer. See, these aren't competing roles. They are just different parts of the same pipeline. काम basically सबका अलग-अलग है, but all roles are very necessary. Now imagine there is a XYZ company जिसका last month का sale dropped by 20% due to some unknown reasons. Now it's the job of a data analyst to find out about these unknown reasons through data. So a data analyst will pull data from databases, उसे clean करेगा, उसे analyze करेगा, will find the patterns and will come back with a clear answer कि आपका sale इस specific reason में इस product category की वजह से down हुआ था. And here's the data to prove it. So a data analyst is basically the bridge between raw data and business decisions. Now suppose अगर कल को आप किसी company में as a data analyst काम करते हो, then your day-to-day job is going to be pulling data from SQL, cleaning messy data in Excel or Python, building dashboards and reports using tools like Power BI or Tableau, and lastly, presenting those insights to stakeholders. Key skills required to become a data analyst are already हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस कर चुका है, but still SQL, Excel, Python, Power BI or Tableau for visualizations, basics of stats and obviously communication skills. Now, who is this role for? Becoming a data analyst is perfect if you love finding patterns and asking why, enjoy presenting and storytelling, does not like heavy coding and maths, want to enter the data field with a realistic learning curve. अगर हम salaries की बात करें, then as a fresher you can expect 3.5 to 7 LPA, and with 3 to 5 years of experience that jumps to 15 to 30 LPA. If a data analyst answers what happened and why, the data scientist answers what will happen next. So a data scientist builds predictive models. Like for example, जैसे कि Netflix predict that this is going to be the show you're going to watch next. या फिर जैसे कि bank predicts whether you will default on a loan, or a hospital predicting which patient are at risk. So a data scientist use stats, mathematics, machine learning to build these kind of models. On a day-to-day basis, a data scientist basically collects and cleans large data sets, does exploratory data analysis, that is EDA for you, builds and trains machine learning models, tests and validates model accuracy, and lastly communicates the result to business teams. Key skills required to become a data scientist are Python, immediate to advanced level का आपको आना चाहिए. Libraries that you should know are scikit-learn, pandas, numpy जैसे libraries हो गए आपके. Stats and probability. So if you hate maths, this role is going to be tough for you. Machine learning algorithm which includes linear regression हो गया आपका, decision trees, random forest, etc. etc. SQL, data visualization, and lastly, some knowledge of deep learning will serve as a bonus for you. Now, becoming a data scientist will be perfect if you love mathematics and stats, enjoy experimenting and building models, are curious about making predictions from data, and if you have a strong analytical mindset. Freshers start at 8 to 12 LPA and experienced folks make around 20 to 45 LPA. Okay, this is the most underrated, underappreciated, and under-discussed role in all of the data fields. And it is also one of the highest paying roles. Let me just explain it with an analogy. एकदम ध्यान से सुनने की कोशिश करना and समझने की कोशिश करना. So जब आप एक tap open करते हो, water just flows, right? At that time, you don't think about pipes, the water treatment plants, the infrastructure. You just get clean water. Now, data engineers build that plumbing. But in case of data, before a data analyst can analyze data or a data scientist can build some models, someone has to make sure the data is collected from 50 different sources, cleaned and transformed, stored in the right databases, available and accessible at all the times. That's basically the job of a data engineer. They build and maintain data pipelines and data infrastructure. On a day-to-day basis, a data engineer basically designs and builds ETL pipelines, that is extract, transform, load for you, works with big data tools like Apache, Spark, Hadoop, Kafka, manages cloud data warehouses, writes complex SQL and Python code, works with databases like Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift. Key skills you need are Python, obviously strong level का आपको Python चाहिए, SQL, advanced level की, big data tools like Spark, Kafka, Airflow, cloud platforms like AWS, GCP or Azure, and lastly, data warehousing concepts. Now, becoming a data engineer will be perfect if you love backend engineering and building systems, enjoy solving complex technical and infrastructure problems, don't want to deal with business stakeholders every day, and are comfortable with heavy coding. This one pays really big. Freshers start somewhere between 8 to 15 LPA, while experienced engineer makes somewhere between 24 to 45 LPA. Just now we saw that a data scientist builds a model, but that model is just sitting in a Jupyter notebook on someone else's laptop. How does it actually gets into a real product? Like when does Google Translate translates your text, and when does Spotify recommends a song to you? So that's where the ML engineer comes in. The ML engineer takes a data scientist model, makes it production ready, they deploy it, they scale it, and make sure it keeps working reliably for millions of users. On a day-to-day basis, an ML engineer converts ML model into APIs and services, optimizes model for speed and efficiency, works with ML ops tools, collaborates closely with both data scientists and software engineers. Key skills you need to become an ML engineer are strong Python and software engineering skills, machine learning fundamentals, model deployment tools like Docker, Flask, Fast API, cloud platforms, MLOps concepts, and lastly, system design knowledge. Now, this role is going to be perfect for you if you are from software engineering background who loves ML, want to be at the intersection of coding and AI, like building systems that scale, want a very high salary potential in future. रही बात salary की, so freshers usually starts at 10 to 18 LPA, while experienced engineers can make around 30 to 60 LPA. Okay, now we have arrived at the very role everyone is losing their mind over in 2026, which is the AI engineer. An AI engineer doesn't just train models like GPT or Gemini from scratch. That's extremely expensive and usually done by big research companies. Instead, they use already powerful AI models and build real-world products on top of them. For example, they might build a customer support chatbot using ChatGPT's API, create a document summarizer for long reports, develop a coding assistant, or build AI agents that automates repetitive business tasks. So they are not building the AI brain, they are basically building smart applications using that brain. On a day-to-day basis, an AI engineer works with LLM APIs, which can be OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, does prompt engineering, uses frameworks like LangChain, LlamaIndex, CrewAI, build RAG systems, build AI agents and automated pipelines, and lastly, integrates AI into web/mobile apps. Key skills you need to become an AI engineer are Python, intermediate level is enough for you to start. API integration, prompt engineering, LangChain, Llama Index or similar frameworks, basic understanding of how LLM works, and lastly, some web development knowledge. This will be a perfect role for you if you are excited about current AI revolution, wants to build product fast without deep maths, have some software knowledge background, and want to ride the biggest wave in tech right now. This is the hottest role right now. Freshers are already landing up to 8 to 16 LPA. With just 2-3 years of experience, people are making 20 to 50 LPA. And honestly, I feel if you are starting right now, AI engineer might be one of the smartest bets you can make. नाउ दिस इज द क्विक कंपैरिजन टेबल. ऑल्सो ये मैंने चैट जीपीटी वगैरह से नहीं उठाया है. सो आपको एक्चुअली में इंडस्ट्री लेवल पर क्या चल रहा है उसका एक आइडिया भी मिल जाएगा. यू कैन इवन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. सो या दैट वाज द फुल ब्रेकडाउन. If this video helped you, do me a favor, drop in the comments which role you are going for. I read every single comment and it even helps me to know what content to make next. And if you have stayed till here, watch the whole video, this opportunity is for you. I actually have some openings at my organization and few other companies I know of personally. So if you are someone who is actively looking for a job and if you feel you are ready, just fill the Google form link in the description box below and I take it from there. No promises. अभी से मैं कुछ promise नहीं कर सकती हूँ आपको, but let's see what we can do. Thank you so much for watching this video and happy learning.